Okay, I've got a couple of little troubleshooting tips for you. Quite often we get phone calls into the office where guys are saying, oh, I've lost pressure, water pressure through my pressure washer, or I've got intermittent pressure. So one thing that could be is potentially you may well have got some air into your suction hose. So here's one way around it. Come around here, disconnect your return to tank, disconnect your suction hose, and then pull them off, get hold of it, lift it right up in the air like this, give it a good shake through, okay, coil it up, and then submerge it in the water. Then submerge it in the water and let all the water push the air through the system. Okay. Then lift it back up again. The water's draining back through that now. Again, giving it a good shake. And then offer it back on to the appropriate connectors. Now, tightening this up, because another way you could get air in the system is these Jubilee clips. It only needs a very, very small amount of air to get into these suction hoses before you'll get intermittent pressure. So really drive these home nice and tight. Now, if this doesn't work, you'll be surprised. Potentially, you could have got the smallest of holes in here, not even the size of a pinhead. It will start sucking air into the system and causing intermittent pressure. So that is a good little tip for you. I'm going to fire it back up. Okay, so quite obviously we can see that we've repressurised the system, there's no air in here, this is working absolutely fine.